Good morning guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first open the settings, then find and select Users and Accounts and tap on Add Account. Select Google, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or LTE, and now provide your email address or phone number. And select Next. And now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on Next. Here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, also privacy policy. Just read it carefully, and if you do agree, mark I agree. And that's it. As you can see, your account is added. Whenever you want to remove it, just mark it, tap on More and select Remove Account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.